2, 3. Good.
Yeah.
You heard that?
Oh my gosh. So I'm training for Miss New York in June this year, and ahead of that, I'm doing a lot of walking practice to make sure my catwalk on the runway is looking, up to speed. And as I've been practicing with my coach, we noticed my left hip isn't as mobile as my right.
Okay. Does it get stuck, or is it more just kind of weakness?
It gets stuck. I probably have some tightness. And
do you feel anything painful when I'm bringing? You feel that clip right there?
I did, yeah.
How's that, okay?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.